In today's video, I am going to teach you how to uninstall Google Chrome on Windows 11 2021. To get started, click the Start button on your Windows 11 taskbar. This opens the Start menu, where you can search for tools and apps installed on your computer. Using search is one of the fastest ways to find what you need, especially if you do not want to browse through menus manually. Once the Start menu is open, type Control Panel into the search bar. As you type, Windows should show the Control Panel in the search results. When you see it, open it. The Control Panel gives you access to many classic Windows options, including the area where you can remove installed programs. Inside the Control Panel, look for the option called Uninstall a Program and click it. This will take you to a list of programs currently installed on your computer. Depending on how many apps you have, it may take a moment for the full list to load, so give it a few seconds if needed. Now scroll through the list and find Google Chrome. The programs are usually listed alphabetically, which makes Chrome easier to locate. Once you find it, select it from the list. From there, Windows will begin the uninstall process after you choose the uninstall option. If a confirmation window appears, simply follow the prompts on your screen to continue. In some cases, you may also be asked whether you want to remove browsing data. If that option appears, choose the setting that works best for you before finishing the removal. After the uninstall is complete, Chrome should no longer appear in your installed programs list. If you want to confirm that it has been removed, you can check your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu to make sure the shortcut is gone as well. That covers everything you need to know.